Kitchen chemistry, baking soda indicator. Here I have baking soda and I have vinegar, which we've already proven in the other experiment, the acids and bases experiment, that vinegar is a very strong acid. So if I take my vinegar and I put it in my canister, pour it in about halfway. Now that's actually only about 1/4, so maybe 1/4 of the way. Don't need a lot. Then you take your baking soda. I have a square of toilet paper that I tore off, and I just put a little bit of baking soda in the middle there. I don't want a ton of it because I don't want the baking soda to overflow into the vinegar, because once the reaction happens, then we get all kinds of bubbles and it is not going to work. So I use this as a baking soda hammock, kind of floating over top of my vinegar pool on the bottom. And then I take the lid and I very carefully place it over top of the baking soda, like so. Now this can go off at any time if I shake it up. So it's very important with your campers that you give them goggles. I have goggles. We also have these plastic bags which you can cut holes in to make smocks so they fit over the students' clothing. Also we have some lab coats. So usually it's about 5 campers that do this. So we have 5 canisters in here. But you can try different things. You can try the things that aren't dangerous, like don't use the ammonia and don't use the Drano. But you can try doing the mouthwash or orange juice or other things like that and just seeing what happens. Orange juice, of course, has citric acid, so it does work. So here, when I put this on there like that, now you have it like this. I always make a big deal out of it. I'm like, don't shake it, just to build up the tension and excitement. And then we go outside. Now, of course, if it does go off inside, make sure everyone has goggles on, because this cap will fly in any direction. So the main point is when you shake it like this, it will build up pressure and usually blows the top off. Now what you're hearing right now is bubbles. Now that does happen. And I think what happened is I have a double layer of toilet paper here. The toilet paper usually acts as a better seal. So when that happens, it just kind of fizzes out that way. And so the gas did build up, but did not build up enough for the top to pop off. So just try it again. In science, we will never give up. We will try again. But that's up for you to do. Now, another thing to talk about too is that there's 3 things that can happen during any chemical reaction. Color change, like a rainbow, heat or cold, which is temperature change, or a gas release. In this case, 2 of the 3 happen. This actually gets colder and a gas is released. That is indicator. Hopefully it goes better with you.